ongoing violence in Bangladesh, several Bollywood celebrities, including Kangana Ranaut, Raveena Tandon, and Sonam Kapoor, have expressed their concerns and prayers for the neighboring country. On Monday, Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who had been in the power for 15 years, stepped down and fled the country amid widespread protests. What began as a protest against a job quota-only system rapidly escalated into a mass movement demanding Sheikh Hasina's removal. Since her departure, attacks on Hindu minorities have intensified in Bangladesh. Raveena Tandon took to her social media profile to address the violence and persecution of minority communities residing in Bangladesh. She wrote, and I'm going to quote her here, that I express my solidarity with the victims and call for an immediate end to this violence. It's essential that global leaders and influencers, especially from India, speak out against these atrocities and work together to protect the rights and dignity of all people. We must not remain silent in the face of such suffering. Sonam Kapoor, in fact, also addressed the situation on her Instagram stories, writing, "This is horrible. Let's all pray for the people of Bangladesh." Sonu Sood, one of the Bollywood actors, tweeted about the responsibility we have as citizens to help Bangladesh, stating, "We should do our best to bring back all our fellow Indians from Bangladesh so that they can have a good life here. This is not just the responsibility of our government, which is also doing its best, but also all of us." Actor turned politician Kangana Ranaut used X to criticize Muslim majority nations for their lack of security. Meanwhile, Sheikh Hasina, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, arrived in India on the evening of August 5th. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar soon after announced an all-party meeting on August 6th where India offered its support to Sheikh Hasina. Actress Hina Khan, who is currently battling cancer, also talked about the matter, saying every innocent death is the death of humanity, no matter what country, caste or religion. No community should go through such horrific acts. What's wrong is wrong. Preservation of minorities of any country is a symbol of their collective community's nature. In our previous videos also, we discussed how Bollywood's silence is going to be there over the atrocities against Hindus and minority groups in Bangladesh. We highlighted how Preeti Zinta was the first one to speak about it openly and tweeted along with the hashtag Save Bangladeshi Hindus. The key question though remains, what's stopping the other celebrities from finally addressing the issue that directly affects them? Why was the Gaza actually prioritized, but Hindus are not being spoken of at all, who are residing just in our neighborhood? Let us know what are your thoughts about this in the comment section below.